So don't forget, our name remains Magic Global Technology, and also the major distributor for Suntrick brand nationwide. So now, as you can see here, these are our all-in. This is like detached battery, SMS 6.5 kVA hybrid inverter with in-between controller, and it can do off-grid inverter. It can do off-grid. So even without battery panel, this machine can work. But we are doing combo. This is a 10 kilowatt lithium battery with 6.2 kVA inverter. These two machines, they just stay here like this now. So just 2.1 million naira. 2.1 million. 10 kilowatt with 6.2 kVA. You don't get light. Just buy only 6 panels, join them. Just go there, get light. This one now we see here. So you go pick AC for you. You go carry borehole for you. You go carry fridges for you. You can pick all those washing machine. Just name them. All of them. This one will be able to do it for you. Just 2.1 million naira promo. You know, say, oh, I addicted to promo. My second name na promo. I enjoy to make sure they give people promo. So please, don't forget, before the offer finish, just 2.1 million naira. You don't get this particular set. Just buy panel, put light, don't do your house. Then this one, when here I'm so now. Like this one, get weight. So this one also keep there. This one are all in one. This one will be waiting one person they carry. But make I show you now what this one is made of. This one a high-end, high machine. Suntrick all-in-one solar generator. That's new view. Suntrick new view. You see, I said this is our man. Don't sabi the name. I bet no you two sabi the name. Suntrick new view. I bet tell them again. But I said no yeah. Suntrick new view. So now this one carry 5.5 kilowatt lithium battery for inside. Yeah, kVA inverter for inside. They can carry 10 kilowatt lithium battery per hour. 10 kilowatt hours lithium battery. This particular machine now, just go put on the one side of your duplex or one side for your apartment. This one can pick air condition for you, conveniently without no headache. This one can pump water for you, conveniently without no headache. This particular one can carry all your condition, your freezers, your fridges, your television, your home theater, your washing machine. In fact, if you know here like this one, you go carry your neighbor light for you. So this one are very powerful. And here, Magic Global Tech, before we sell them, as I said so, 3.8 million. Promo, don't kill them. Just 3.5 million, I don't carry this machine all in one. Just buy this kind of panel. Or the bigger one of this particular, but just 6 pieces connected onto this machine. It don't work. And another differences will make us like this particular Suntrick. Normal all-in-one solar system. You know if you add battery to them. This particular one now can call company say we want something new, something that will perform better than the old. Because innovation is what gives us fertile. So they can't be able to create this one and say if you add external battery to this particular machine. So if you say as well, 10 kilowatt, they carry your house for long. You're looking with 20 kilowatt, you're looking 50 kilowatts. They have put option say we can carry this particular battery now, we will connect them to this particular machine. The battery go increase. That's the particular machine for you. Well, okay. Those are not the small weights you carry. So that is for this particular machine.